Now take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it, and now slowly out through your mouth. Let's repeat that again. Nice deep breath in through your nose. Relax. And slowly out through your mouth. I'm going to give you a special word. The word is calm. C-A-L-M. Calm. It means to let go, to trust the process, to relax. But it also means cash, assets, leverage, money. C-A-L-M. Calm. So every time I say this word, you remember that it means cash, assets, leverage, and money coming into your life. Money is flowing easily into your life right this very moment. As a matter of fact, the money is already present. Money is easy to attract, even if you aren't expecting any money, even if you don't know of any resources by which money could find you. Money is easy to attract. Prepare to receive expected money or unexpected money knocking at your door, in your postal box, being deposited into your bank account, money being repaid to you that you loaned a long time ago to a friend, money found in an unexpected place, money filling your wallet, money showing up as an opportunity or a raise. See it in your mind, a check or cash, or a large stack of cash, or looking at your phone and seeing that you have money in your bank account that you didn't expect that you would have. Money is coming to you. It's already yours. See the money coming into your life. Maybe it comes in the form of a telegram or an email notifying you of money. Feel it. How good does it feel to have this extra amount of money? How good does it make you feel? Does it make you feel more secure? Are you getting the idea that maybe you'd like to buy something special or invest the money in something special? And then simply trust the process. Prepare to receive the money. Now do this little meditation as often as you need money. For maximum impact and results, do this short meditation daily. Take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. And when you're ready, open up your eyes, stretch your body, and go about your day. Let it go and let it flow. Trust the process.